sound barrier, almost. While you were watching TikTok, they quietly shattered every speed record on Earth. Forget Tesla, forget Bugatti. This is the BYD YANGWANG U9X supercar. It just hit 496 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest production car in the world. But that speed is just the beginning. China isn't just building faster cars. They're building a future that looks straight out of science fiction AI systems that think for themselves, floating trains, and robot armies. They are so far ahead that their newest cars can literally drive themselves from 2 kilometers away. The future isn't coming. It's already here, and China's leading it. In this video, we uncover the exact technologies the West isn't talking about. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. By headlines, China is quietly engineering a future that looks like science fiction. From cities governed by algorithms to machines replacing manual labor, the future isn't a distant concept, it's already operational. Here's how China is rewriting the rules of technology and infrastructure. 1. Logistics at warp speed. The days of the 45-minute pizza wait are over. Meituan has already completed over 300,000 deliveries via a drone network that drops food at precision-timed kiosks in just 15 minutes. In the countryside, JD.com is deploying aerial pickup trucks, drones carrying up to 30 kilograms, to connect remote villages to the global economy. 2. The rise of thinking vehicles. This year, 15 million new Chinese cars will hit the road with autonomous robot brains. The GU01. The world's first car with a true AI partner, Simo. You can stand 2 kilometers away and tell Simo to pick you up. It uses dual NVIDIA Orin chips and a sensor suite more advanced than military drones to navigate busy city traffic and unprotected left turns. The Yangwang U9X BYD. This SUV defies physics. It can perform 360-degree tank turns in place, crab walk sideways into tight parking spots, and float in 5 feet of water, using its wheels as propellers to boat to safety at 3 kilometers per hour. The IM Motors L6 and Z9 GT. These cars dance into parking spaces. Using 4-wheel steering and independent motors, they can slide horizontally or power slide into spots that seem mathematically impossible for a normal vehicle. 3. Record-breaking performance. The BYD YANGWANG U9 supercar has shattered global benchmarks. Speed. It hit 496.22 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest production car in the world, surpassing Ferrari, Lamborghini, and even the multi-million-dollar Rimac Nevera. Agility. Its DISA system reacts in 40 milliseconds, allowing the car to jump 75 millimeters off the ground, hop over obstacles, or literally dance to music. Efficiency. China has solved the charging anxiety problem. New 1 megawatt systems can provide 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes faster than filling a tank with petrol. 4. Infrastructure without humans. China is building the roads of the future using robots. Recently, a highway was constructed using a fleet of 100 self-driving 85-ton trucks, autonomous road rollers, and giant pavers. These machines operate via GPS and smart algorithms in temperatures as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius without a single human on site. 5. Floating trains and AI education. On the tracks, maglev trains are now reaching test speeds of 620 miles per hour faster than a commercial jet. A trip from Beijing to Shanghai has been slashed from 5.5 hours to just 2.5. Perhaps most significantly, China is preparing its people. In Beijing, AI classes are mandatory for children as young as 6. While the world debates the ethics of AI, China is raising a generation of AI natives who will control technology that hasn't even been invented yet. 6. The frictionless society. The transition is seamless. At 62 major airports, facial recognition has replaced tickets and IDs. Your face is your boarding pass. With 85% of the population comfortable with robotic automation compared, to just 39% in the US China isn't just winning the tech race. They've already moved the finish line.